Now you are going to learn to play a Scottish jig by Neil Gow, the Stool of Repentance. There have been jigs in Scotland since at least the 16th century, and they may have originated from Scotland. Many jigs from the 18th century are still played today. Until now you have played in 2/4, 4/4 and 3/4 in what is called simple time. Now you are going to play in compound time, where there are 2 dotted crotchets in the bar, or 6 quavers grouped in threes. Generally, Scottish jigs are not played as they are written, as the first quaver in the group of 3 is usually played a bit longer and given a slight emphasis. This gives the tune a bit of a lift. This is a good example of a 2-part Scottish jig written by Neil Gow in the 18th century. The tune uses notes in the A scale and arpeggio throughout, so it could be useful to practice these before you begin. This tune starts on an up bow. Let's start with the first 2 bars. Let's repeat that. Now let's try the next phrase. Let's do this section of the A part again from the beginning. Now we can learn the second section of the A part. The first phrase is identical to the beginning of the A part. Let's finish off the A section. Now, let's join the whole of the A part together. We'll move on to the B part now. Let's play the first phrase. And again. The second phrase moves up one step. Now we are going to learn the second section of the B part. It is exactly the same as the first B phrase. The final phrase is exactly the same as the ending of the A part. Now I'm going to play through the whole of the B part with repeats.